Alright, episode 2. Big question. Are dating apps killing real romance? I don't think they killed romance. I think they just changed the game. Now you've got this infinite pool of people, which sounds great until every choice feels harder. I'm not anti-app. I'm just saying maybe the design nudges people toward endless searching, not actual commitment. So go ahead, Mia. Tell me why I'm being dramatic again.
I mean, you're not being dramatic. At least not today. I think you're being tired, which is different. And yeah, apps make it easy to keep searching, which makes people feel like choosing someone means giving up on all the other possibilities. That's intimidating and a little paralyzing. But calling it dead feels like a shortcut. Because what if the real problem is we expect ease? Like chemistry should be instant and effortless. And when it isn't, we assume something's wrong with them, with us, with the whole system.
Okay, yeah, that's annoyingly fair. I still think the design matters, but maybe what's broken isn't just the tool. It's also expectations. People expect effortless, and when it's not effortless, they assume it's wrong. And maybe that expectation gets magnified by swiping culture. So, fine, maybe I'm not dead. But strained? Yeah, that word fits better. And also,
Strained.
come on, humans... Strained, yes. And also, humans have always panicked about new courting tech. I mean, letters were scandalous once. So maybe this is just the latest version of the same worry. Still, the scale of options now is new, and that has consequences.
Yeah, I'll give you that. The scale is new. And consequences pile up slowly, right? Maybe it's not apocalypse language that's helpful, but attention to the strain. Like, are people okay with how tired they are? Or do they have to call it broken just to make the exhaustion sound external instead of personal?
That's sharp and a little uncomfortable. Because, yeah, calling something broken can make the fatigue feel less like a personal failure. But naming strain honestly might be healthier. Not broken, just human. Tired is allowed. And maybe the kinder move isn't fixing romance, but reducing the pressure. Which sounds less viral for a podcast title, but probably more useful.
Yeah.
You just made me
Less
almost...
clickable.
Yeah, less clickable. Okay, fine,
More
that's
livable.
a good point. Yeah, more livable. That's the version I'd back. We can argue design and incentives all day. Go ahead, say the hopeful thing.
The hopeful thing. Even if the tools stay clumsy, people can still choose kindness, patience, honesty. Lowering the pressure doesn't sound viral, but it sounds human. And humans are the only part of this that ever really was.
All right, Pink Side wins that round. Don't get unbearable about it. But yeah, that was solid.
I'll try to stay only mildly unbearable. No promises.
Doubtful. But
Correct.
I'll allow it.
Thank you, Blue Side. Humanity survives another episode. Miraculously.
Miraculously, yep. But don't make survival your brand. It's hard enough as a habit.
Fair. Habit, then one honest try at a time. That's enough for now.
One try, then stop. Mia will hate how neat that sounds.
Hate it? Probably. But I'd still show up for it. Messy, not dead. And somehow that keeps it livable.
Not dead?
Unfortunately.
Livable. Unfortunately livable. Yeah. That's the blue side signing off.
Pink side too. Try again, yeah?
Always.